I have a confession to make. I am staying on the brand new Norwegian Luna.
Come. I've got my card here.
And I can't even shave my face properly. Seriously. If I want to keep both ears, I have to perform a level of gymnastics my 50-year-old back was never designed for.
The biggest mistake you can do is not book the studio cabins early on. They've only got like 65 cabins, so you should book it as soon as possible.
But here's the paradox. Despite the shaving struggle, and despite the fact that this room has no fridge for my champagne, I've actually cancelled my plan to upgrade to a balcony. Why? Because NCL might have just perfected the art of solo travel for the golden years explorer. Today, I'm taking you inside the secret world of Luna Studios. It's compact, it's quirky, and it might be the best value on the high seas. Let's dive into the facts.
Come.
Before we get to the room, let's look at the neighborhood. The studios are a private enclave. And on the Luna, they've organized this area with precision. There are 3 main corridors on each floor within the studio complex, featuring 5 rows of cabins. It feels exclusive, like a ship within a ship for us solos. And a quick tip for my fellow travelers. The carpets have little fishes to help you navigate. They point forward, so you always know if you're headed forward to the bow or getting lost on your way to the lounge. Now, let's talk about the country club of the solo area, the lounge. It's exclusive to us solo voyagers, accessible from deck 12 or via this private staircase from deck 13. There are 3 interconnected sections here, but we all know which one is the grand central station of the ship. The hydration station. If you have the beverage package, it's all included. Beer, cocktails, and wine on tap.
I think I just emptied the Cabernet Sauvignon tap. Cheers.
Speaking of wine taps, did you know that in the last Portuguese election a candidate wanted to install the red wine tap in every home? I didn't vote for him. I was holding out for a champagne tap.
And look how lucky I am. We've got espresso machine here. I'm going to be so happy on board.
The coffee here is 24/7 and vastly superior to the coffee cartel at the buffet. Whether you're fetching a midnight snack or suffering from 2 a.m. insomnia, there's always a friendly face here. It's the perfect place to start a conversation and find a group for dinner. Now, let's look at the 94 square foot Empire. It's compact, yes, but the bed is actually wider than the standard twin beds you find in regular cabins. However, the TV above the bed has a mind of its own. The swivel arm moves so awkwardly. It's like it's trying to avoid watching my videos. Let's talk storage, because they've maximized every inch. Section 1, suitcases go right under the bed. Section 2, on the right we have the closet for jackets, shirts, and even room for your backpack and shoes. Then there's Section 3, the sacred desk. I keep this clutter-free as my mobile office. It has 1 European plug and 2 American plugs. Pro tip, bring a wireless card. Any hotel key works to keep the power on so your devices charge while you're at the bar. Section 4, more open shelving and drawers. This drawer is large enough for 2 laptops, though my oversized gamer's mouse is currently homeless. And below that, the safe. Perfect for wallets, but don't expect to fit the large tablet in there. Section 5, more jacket and laundry space, and some drawers. There's also section 31, but that's top secret. The glass makes the room feel much larger, which is a magnificent concept for a small space. But here is the dilemma for the sophisticated gentleman. The door is a double agent. It's the shower door and the bathroom door. If you close it for the shower, I lose my mirror for shaving. It's a choice between a dry floor or a clean chin. The shower is great for someone like me at 5 feet 8. But if you're a 6 foot plus Secret Service type from section 31, you might find yourself drinking directly from the hose. So, is the solo studio on Luna worth it? If you value community, exclusive coffee, and a bed that doesn't feel like a camping cot, it's a no-brainer. You save the solo supplement and get the private club included in the price. I've done the heavy lifting, so you don't have to. But the cabin is only half the story. Next step. Would you like me to show you the top 3 secret spots on NCL Luna where you can find peace and quiet away from the crowds?